Hey, thank you so much for tapping on this video. I believe that you are an action taker, and this is Abhishek B signing in right now to explain you about how to create an online course instantly. Okay, guys, there are about 8 important topics which I'm going to cover in this entire course. And before jumping into those 8 important topics, I genuinely request you to click on the bell icon and subscribe button for the upcoming notification about my own videos regarding the business topics like this. Okay, let's jump into those 8 important topics right now. And what are those 8 important topics under the instant course creation? Okay, the first and the foremost important topic is quick overview regarding the instant course creation, and the second important topic is type of coaching program, and the third important topic is the product creation requirements, like what are the main requirements to create an online course, okay, instantly. Okay, and the fourth important topic is hosting the course, like what are the different types of hosting platforms which are available in the market to host your online course which you recorded on your own niche which you selected. Okay, and the fifth important topic is the payment gateway to collect the payments and sell your course, and the sixth important topic is the tool setup. Okay, and the seventh important topic is the automation to collect the leads and to save the data of the leads, and the eighth and the last important topic is the webinar structure, that is how to sell the online course in the webinar. Okay, these are the 8 important pillars of instant course creation. Right now in this entire video, I'm going to talk about a quick overview. That is the #1 topic. That is the overview on instant course creation. Okay, under the overview, I'm going to talk about the 4 important topics. The first and the foremost important topic is create a course which you believe. See guys, there are many course creators who are going to create an online course which they are not passionate about it, and they are going to just simply create it for making money. They are in a mindset of making quick money, and for those kind of people it may work for a few days, but for the long run it is not going to work. So always try to build a course in such a way that which you always believe, which you are trustworthy, and if someone comes and asks any question regarding that course, you are in a level of answering it. And don't be in a mindset of making money. Even though if you are having a mindset of making quick money, it is good, but without having experience, without having good result, without having a proper background, without you are not having a passionate about that course, if you are creating for the sake of making money, it is not going to work. This is one of the hashtag rule. Try to follow, try to build a course which you always believe. Okay, this is one of the first important topic which I wanted to share with you guys. There is a quick overview regarding the course creation. Okay, keep in mind. And the second important topic is figure out the result you got. Just retrospect yourself and try to figure out like in which area you got a better result. Okay, and if that area is having a large potential, large market, try to create a course. Don't worry about what other people are going to think. Okay, just shamelessly do a marketing and sell your online course. Okay, try to find out the result which you are having experience from your own journey. Okay, and the third important overview point is journey that your customers going to take by your course. See guys, always try to build a course in such a way that if someone is trying to watch that course, if someone is accessing that course, you should get a result. Okay, if he is in a point A and if you want to reach the point B, your course is the journey. Okay, he is accessing your course and you should get the result. Okay, always try to build a course in such a way that by keeping in mind regarding the journey of the customer. Okay, don't try to add content for just for the sake of adding it. No, it is all about bringing the result, bringing the transformation in your customer's life. Okay, that is what the main important overview point. That is the third important overview. And the fourth important overview is don't teach for free. Even though I'm uploading this course for YouTube, don't teach your course, like don't sell your course for free. And if you're selling the course for free, or if you're just giving access to your friends or family members or someone else for free, means you are disrespecting them, you are wasting your time, you are disrespecting your time which you invested for creating an online course. Okay, these are the 4 important overview which I wanted to share before jumping into the main topic regarding the instant course creation. Okay, in the next important videos, I'm going to cover about what are the main basic requirements and as well as the main steps which you must have to take to create an online course instantly. Okay, before jumping into the next video, please comment below what are the top 3 learnings from this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for the upcoming notification about my own videos regarding the course creation and regarding the business topics. Thank you so much.